AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 is as of now at $0.005, or so they sort of thought. AMP fundamentally faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006, which really is genuinely critical. AMP records descending development today, which explicitly is genuinely huge. 16 November 2023. In this video we will really walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is somewhat transient cost expectation for AMP, certainly is AMP an essentially wise speculation, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every practical sense is very huge. However, prior to plunging profound into the AMP specialized examination, fundamentally let us especially discuss the really current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,428,308,418,905, which in every practical sense shows that 16 November 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to respond to these regularly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is fundamentally transient cost expectation for AMP, especially is AMP a genuinely wise interest in a fundamentally significant manner. The especially complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $71,489,707,597, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely critical. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time period, which in every practical sense is very critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, is somewhere around 0.03 and at present exchanging at 64 cents, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Solana came to $63.93 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem, so market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,428,308,418,905, which especially shows that 16 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through AMP cost investigation for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts, what basically is genuinely momentary cost expectation for AMP. Certainly is AMP a genuinely wise interest in and in every way that really matters, significant way. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a very descending heading for sort of present moment, which especially is genuinely critical. Right now, a sort of broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially huge manner. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an all things considered, large way. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers truly become in every practical sense all the more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, genuinely further appearance, how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers especially become move fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense higher. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP really is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, which in every practical sense is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while really all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, exhibiting that 16 November 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on some things, facts. What sort of is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for AMP? Truly is AMP an especially wise venture, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking? There especially are practically 42,227,702,186 generally are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which generally is genuinely huge. AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for 16 November 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time period, especially made sense of underneath, exhibiting how market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,428,308,418,905. Which generally shows that 16 November 2023. In this video we will walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part clarified some things, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for AMP, most certainly is AMP a very wise venture, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize really relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and difference, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to sort of examine the future development of the AMP. Exhibiting that AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005, the EMA 50, for the most part is presently at $0.005 in an especially significant manner. While AMP's Williams %R marker certainly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign truly is certainly conceivable at this reach, showing how 16 November 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what most certainly is transient cost expectation for AMP, in a real sense, is AMP a truly wise interest in every practical sense, enormous way. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the sort of sign line after a hybrid, extremely further appearance, how AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are